Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back. Okay, this is not normally what I do on Sew It Saturday, but I am getting my grandbabies today, two of them, from their pregnant mama needs a break, okay? So I'm giving her a break. That's my Mother's Day gift to her. And I'm getting my grandbabies. I haven't seen them in a minute, so I miss them. So this is going to be a quick tutorial, okay? I'm using Dollar Tree rugs, all right? So my problem is these are small and I need a bigger rug. So I'm going to show you how I attach them to make two rugs. Super simple. And then I'm going to go over, I told you, if you remember, I bought a side winder, bobbin winder. Well, I have recently went to the same store and they're revamping the store. So I got a Singer for 10 bucks. And let me tell you the difference when I get done with this, okay? I'll show you which one I like, what I don't like. We'll get back to it. So anyways, let me move my camera down and I'll show you how I do this real quick. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is take all your tags off. And I like these rugs because they're easy to wash. They're very absorbent. And, you know, I just like them. But what you got to do is make sure, because these are different. As you see, this one is off. I don't know. Oh, you can't see that. Shoot. Let me see. I'm sorry. I got you zoomed in so you can see my machine. I'm so sorry. There's about a good 1/4 of an inch right there difference. So let me go to this side and see if this side matches. Lord, have mercy. Now I'll turn it around if that one don't match, and we'll try it again. So let me pull it. These two match very well. So what you're going to do is you're going to butt these up against each other, okay, right here, and we're going to zigzag over top of it. Make sure you have a coordinating thread and bobbin, okay, the same color. So let me pull this over here. I'm using Kenny, my old Kenmore. And all I'm going to do is, you do not have to pin anything. Just make sure you got the same two sides that you just matched together, okay? You're going to slide them under your machine. Now this won't start, mine won't start at the beginning. I've got to put, you know, a little bit of this under there. I'm going to lower my presser foot. And I'm going to make some zigzag stitches. Now I've got my length set at a 2.5. Okay, this one is not digital, but it's the widest zigzag and it's at 2.5 length. And as you can see, it's not moving because this is an old machine, but I can tack this nonetheless so it won't go nowhere. So I'm going to put it under there, and I am butting these together, okay? They're just butted up against each other, and I'm going to zigzag all the way down. Now, if yours don't get hung, you need to backstitch, which I'll probably backstitch now anyway. I'm going to roll up my rug here to get it through my machine. If it comes up short, just give it a little pull. Not the one that's long, but the one that's shorter. Give it a little pull. I backstitch when I get to the end, and I will take all of my, I'll take all these tags off. I don't like them on there. Make sure you clip your uglies. We are done. We are done. Kenny can rest. But make sure you clip all your uglies off of here, because we don't want no uglies. We sure don't want to step out of the shower and hang our toe and fall. So get all them strings off. Let me move you again further down, okay? Okay, so now you can see you cannot even tell where my stitches are, where they have been joined together. So now I have one bigger bath mat that I can use. Now, if you have a long space, you can certainly sew the shorter edges, but mine, I want it taller, and it needs to be this exact size. I have a walk-in shower. This is gonna fit just fine. And just to show you, they hold up rather well, because this one I have been using for years now, and I wanted one. I got strings all in it. I wanted one, you know, so I can, when I'm washing one, I can put one down just to swap them out. I absolutely love this one, but you can't find these, or I couldn't find these anymore. But anyway, it's held up wonderfully through the wash, through wear and tear. And also these little Dollar Tree drying mats, I needed it bigger, and when I would put two together, they would separate. So I just simply put that stitch right down the middle of two of these, and they work fine. You can connect however many you want. You can even connect another set over there and have a big one. But this is what I needed, so I connected these together. So that's just a way that I edge join things to make things bigger. So let me get my bobbin winders, and I'll tell you about those. So I have the Simplicity Sidewinder. This is the one I got first. I paid $17 on clearance for it. And then this is my Singer. I paid $10 on clearance for it. Okay? And I will tell you there is a difference. They both are battery, or you can plug them in. Okay? Now they look the same. They look almost exactly the same. Almost the same. Now, the difference is the Simplicity, and there's the Singer. They still look almost the same. The Singer came with a spool cap. Okay? Now this comes up. This one comes up. But it also, the Singer gives you a big one. So if you have a bigger cone, and then this would go on top to hold your thread so it's not spinning off, which it had a problem with this one spinning off. Okay, so that was a deal with that, plus it was cheaper. But the thing I like about the Singer that I do not like about the Simplicity, okay, I have vintage machines. Okay, this one takes a regular bobbin, which is a class 15. It takes a regular bobbin, which will fit on either one of these. But my Singer 401A and some other machines have to have 66 bobbins. Okay, now they all have winders on them, but just to save it, to keep from using it, because the rubbers on those old ones sometimes wear out, I got these. No matter how hard you try, these will not fit on the Simplicity. Okay, they pop right down on the Singer. So that is a major plus for me. Okay, major plus for me. Now it fits the plastic ones as well. Okay, they snap right down on there. This one does not. So also the reason I like the Simplicity, the Singer over the Simplicity, is because when the bobbin, this is taller, but when the bobbin is winding, okay, this will be like this. They both do the same thing. But for some reason, there's way more clearance on this one. So you get more thread on the bobbin with the Singer. So for me, the Singer is your best bet no matter what. It winds better, it's got more features on it, and if you're going to get one, the Singer is the best one to get. So if you like this video, you know the drill. Please leave me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. And until next time, thank you for being with me. You are a blessing. Goodbye.